A local journalist and an ex-Jila Parishad member in Bihar's Punia, Ritu Singh, was shot dead in the Sharshi police station area on Friday. Singh's families and relatives staged a protest on Saturday alleging JDU MLAs and State Minister Lesbi Singh to be behind the murder. The family has also alleged negligence by the station house officer SHO. Ritu Singh's wife and a Jila Parishad member Anulika Singh questions what was his fault that he was killed. Just because he won the Jila Parishad polls and wanted to contest assembly polls. Lesbi Singh did this via her nephew and added that she doesn't trust the local police, it should be probed by others. On the other hand, the deceased body had been sent for post-mortems. Relative statements are being taken wherein the allege that it happened due to the negligence of SHO has been suspended. Raids are being done, some people have been identified. Arrests will be made soon, said Dayashankar SB Punia.